So the question is, if f in brackets a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to fx, so where a and b are fixed positive real number, then 1 upon ab integration b to a x in bracket fx plus fx1 dx is equals to, so here we are given 4 options. So to find the answer, we have f a plus b plus 1 minus x is equal to fx, which is equation 1. So we keep x plus 1, so the f a plus b minus x is equal to fx plus 1 will be equation 2. So when we give I is equal to 1 upon a plus b integration b to a x f in bracket fx plus fx plus 1 dx, which will be equation 3. So from equation 1 and 2, we put the value of fx and fx plus 1. So it will be I is equal to 1 upon a integration a to b 1 plus b minus x fx plus 1 plus fx. So by adding, which will be equation 4, so by adding 3 and 4 we get 2i integration a to b fx plus fx1. So by separating the integration and doing the two form separately, we get integration a to b fx plus 1 dx plus integration a to b fx dx. So by solving it further, we get a plus b minus x plus 1 plus fx dx. Then after solving it further, we get 2i is equal to 2 integration b a fx dx. So which we will keep x is equal to t plus 1 and dx is equal to dt. So by solving it, we get I is equal to integration b minus 1 a minus 1 f t plus 1 dt, and I is equal to integration a minus 1 to b minus 1 f x plus 1 dx. So it is option C. So option C is correct. Thank you.